Yes, hello and welcome. This is my testimonial and review for a hosting company called A2 Hosting. And I've never done anything like this, do a testimonial or any kind of a promotional type thing for a company, but I have to admit this has been the best service that you could ever possibly want in a hosting company. And I think out of frustration, being with HostGator for, I don't know, 5 years, have you ever called HostGator and try to get a hold of the technical department because you have a problem or a question and you're on hold for 20 minutes of your life or 30 minutes of your life? I mean, it is the most frustrating thing in the whole world. And I got to a point where I started building a PBN, public blog network, if you will, and I started looking for just some other hosting companies that I'd put some websites on, right? Just diversify my my domain names, and I came across A2 Hosting, and I had a question, and I called the live support 24/7 support number, and I'm not kidding you. Within 60 seconds, I'm talking to a guy. I live in the Philippines, and I'm talking to a guy where, if he's in Canada or wherever he is, and I've got a problem, and he's answering my problem. He's walking through my website with me, and I'm getting answers to my questions. I was so blown away by how efficient everything was with A2 Hosting that I switched all my domains from HostGator. I probably had 58, 60 domain names on HostGator. I couldn't wait to leave HostGator. I think I was paying $9.95. What was it, the baby account or whatever it was called? And when I went to A2 Hosting, I think I'm paying $9.95 or $10.95. But I have a dedicated server for one of my domain names. But I just wanted to do a quick little review tutorial for A2 Hosting. If you're sick of HostGator, like I was sick of HostGator, I highly recommend that you check out A2 Hosting. And they have some really great pricing. If I'm not mistaken, they have 17% off right now. They're saying that their solid state drive speed boost is 300 times faster than the competition when it loads your WordPress. And you can have unlimited domains. So right now, $7.46 a month. If I was starting out and you're looking for a hosting company, A2 Hosting is definitely, without a doubt, the best hosting company out there. I mean, I don't want to use any foul language, but I really don't like HostGator. I think that in the beginning I didn't know better, so they were as good as any of them, right? But absolutely, if you have a choice right now, A2 Hosting, you will be so happy that you found this review. And then just go through the website and just check everything out for yourself. And if anything else, call the 24/7 support number. Just call them up and say hi and see how fast they answer. If that alone makes you as happy as it made me, that's the reason I switched. I'll just leave you with this one last thing, and that is we're all looking for value, and we're looking for service-oriented value. And every once in a while, you find a company that really has your best interest at heart. I mean, their customer service is just beyond belief. And I'm just going to leave you with that. I'm steering you in the right direction. Take care. You can't say now, nobody told you about the best hosting company in the world, A2 Hosting. Okay, so thank you. And if you get a chance, tell them Franco sent you. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye.